Hi everyone, so I'm back today to do a little craft with me. I'm making some pockets, tucks and things for the journal that I'm working on. I'm making a flip-flop journal using ARTYmaze's April freebie kit. We are April, aren't we? Yeah. So I've done a little bit of mixed media with some envelopes. I done these two on camera and I done them two off camera because it just did take a little bit of time. So stay tuned and you can watch how I done this. I will have links and things like that in the description box, so go and take a peek at them. And yes, just watch how I made these. So here's all the stuff that I'm using. 2 envelopes, some ARTYmaze paper. These are some Tim Holtz flower stem dies. That's that there. Some ovals, which I use these 2 ovals for. And then obviously the brown paper packaging, the ladies, the inks, the sprays, the gesso, the roller, and I do pull out other bits as I go along. So that matte thing, it's not matte actually, it's just a big bit of paper. That was just to protect my surface because I didn't want to do all the cleaning up. And I nearly ran out of gesso, so I had to use a big knife there to get in there. And I'm just, I had 2 envelopes to start with, but then I brought out another 2 as well because that first one was just a bit too much gesso on there, but I still used it anyway. If you don't have gesso, you can use white acrylic paint if you're doing something like this and just let it dry completely. I quite enjoy just using that brayer. You can use a sponge, you can use a brush, you could use your fingers if you wanted to, just to like put it on, but I enjoy the look with the brayer.